Good morning. I am today taking the professional ethics and Indian Constitution. That is Indian Constitution. Parliament. It is divided into two parts. That is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The government is run by the three main branches. That is legislative, executive, and judiciary. First, the Rajya Sabha. It Rajya Sabha is the also called as upper house, or it is also called as permanent house. It have 250 members, 238 by elected indirectly and 12 are nominated, that is nominated by the president. That is literature, science, art and social service. Election is on the basis of population or proportion of the MPs. Next, MP may be changed from basis of the population. The Delhi have 3 Rajya Sabha seat, UP have 31 Rajya Sabha seat, and Pondicherry have only 1 seat. The chairperson is vice president, that is, he take the meeting whenever necessary, and he is the main chairpersons. The Rajya Sabha have 6-year period. 1/3 of members are retired for every 2 years. So it is a permanent house because it not vacant fully. So it is also called as permanent house. The removal or of the deputy chairman is passed by the majority of the member. Chairman is removed by both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Right. Next, we going to Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha, it is on also called as lower house or people of the house. Next, popular house. It have 552 members. 530 are elected by the people, like on the adult franchise, right? Next, the 20 from the Union Territory, 2 is Anglo-Indian nominated by the president. It have a speaker, one of the elected member become the speaker, that he give the oath to other persons, right? In the absence of the speaker, the deputy speaker take the work of speaker. Removal of the speaker or deputy speaker is on the basis of majority of the Lok Sabha, means 2/3 members should be pass the house. The function of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are that is legislative, executive, judiciary, financial and diplomatic are. Next, the parliament has 3 main sections, that is budget section, it may be take from February to May. Second, monsoon section, it may take from July to August, and winter section, it may takes November to December, right? In Lok Sabha, UP has highest MPs, that is 80 MPs, and Mizoram and Nagaland have only 1 MPs, right? In parliament, all the state have Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Next, we coming to President of India. President of India is the head of the commander of chief and Indian army and head of the state, but head of the government is prime minister, right? Election is conducted by election commissioner, both Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and president. Both houses of the